All right, money journey here. I want to get into this a little bit because I keep running across all these videos of people saying they're the only people that predicted Bitcoin was going to drop the other day. Bullshit. For one thing, I ran across like 5 videos, everyone saying that, and I saw it too. I was following this channel. I was following it on the 1-minute chart, and I saw this area here. I was shorting at this point. I started shorting at about this, I believe it was about here. I shorted all the way down to here. And then I saw we were starting to reverse. I closed at about this point. Still made money, pretty good money. And then I started seeing what was going on. We were in a nice 1, 2, 3 Elliott wave. Oh, it was a beautiful thing. I spotted exactly where we were going to reverse. And you know what? We reversed right there. And I said we were getting closer. After my little marker right here, knowing that I was going to put a short in at that point. And oh buddy, there we went. We hit that little sweet spot. The candles just pierced it. That was enough for me. The candles pierced it. I knew we were going to town. And we went all the way down. And this is the point. Everyone says they were the only person to spot this. I spotted it just fine, guys. Point is, don't listen to all those people that think they're the fucking shit out there. Basic analysis will tell you where this market is going. Just like this. This is where we're going next, guys. We're going to 16143. We're still going to go down a little bit. We're not quite in this zone here, so I'm going to short when I go past this area here. As I'm marking right here. If we cross this trend line, I'm going to go long. If we cross this support line, I'm going to short for a bit until I go down there. And I feel like it's time to close that short because this is just a quick day trade. But ultimately, 16143, that is where we are going. So let's look where the chart is right now. Oh, I'm looking at the weekly chart. Let's go to our hourly chart. Boom. So, as you see, we're starting to reach that point, but we're not there yet. As you see, the market, it just constantly goes up and down, up and down. So I know we're gonna hit this area, we're gonna be near, but I just have, my gut feeling tells me it's gonna come back down here a little bit. If not, that's okay. We break this trend line. I'm gonna enter my long, and we're gonna be raking in some money. So that's a BTC analysis. I got a few more things I'm watching right now. I went ahead and analyzed the euro dollar. And I'm actually in this trade right now. I'm going long in it. I'm making money. I said right here on the hourly chart, as soon as that closes underneath the MA20, I was on a long, and I'm long right now. Okay, how do we get out of good picture. Alright, another one. What other things did I analyze? The Brit dollar. I actually didn't get that many any comments on this one in here, but this is what I see is going on. The daily FX market sentiment. It's a fun thing to take a look at. So just type in IG market sentiment report GBPUSD. Here's a secret. When everyone is going long, you go short. Most people get it wrong. Let's just face it that way. They get it wrong. Here we go. Brit dollar. 80% people are going long in the Brit dollar right now. Look at 80%. And that's why a lot of people they don't like my view of what's going on. As you see, I'm saying I should short when I hit this Fibonacci zone, because I know we're going down. Now it's a possibility we might come back up along this minor trend line, but ultimately, guys, we are going down, and we're going down pretty far. And that is what I'm showing on my trading ideas. If you guys don't know, I have an account on TradingView, Money Journeys, the name over there, and you can see, and for the most part, most of the ideas that I post. This is the zone we're going to, and I don't know why. Maybe it's Brexit, I don't know, but ultimately, we're going here, guys. And one of the reasons why that you can tell, and this trend line right here, when this was broken, I mean, it wasn't even exactly this trend line. I mean, this trend line used to, I think, connect somewhere else. Alright, what else did I analyze? I didn't want to mess with the Canuck. Nah, not trading that Canuck until I see clear direction where it's going. We're in a wedge. It could easily go down, it could easily go up. What has me worried is the market sentiment is at 52% in this wedge. It's uncertain. So I'm not ready to fire a short. We could just as hell bounce up. That Brit yen. This one, I tracked a zone going back pretty far. So far, I'm already in 30 pips of this trade. It's a great trade. Alright guys, this is Money Journey. If you like this, go ahead and subscribe below and give the video a thumbs up. Let me know if you want me to post some more videos. Thanks. Bye.